Hello guys, I hope all you are doing well. Today I'll discuss about the problem March point in two linked list. So we are given two linked list as an input. We have to find the March point of these two linked lists. So there can be the two cases. The first case where the first length of the first linked list is more than the second linked list, and in second case the length of the second linked list is more than the first linked list. So let's see how to solve this. First of all, we'll find the length of the two linked lists individually. Let's say the case 1. Here this is the linked list 1 and this is the linked list 2. So length of the first linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and length of the second linked list is 4. So difference is 2. So at the first what we'll do, we'll move forward the header of the first linked list by difference step. So here it is difference is 2. So we'll move our header pointer by 2 steps. So header 1 will be initially this place, 1 step and 2 step, and header 2 will be in its original position. Now what we will do, in each step we'll move forward h1 and h2 by 1 until we found a node where it merges, that is they are equal. So now h1 is in this place and h2 is in this place. So we'll move forward by 1 step. Now h1 and h2 will move here, and in next step we'll see that h1 and h2 is in the same place. So this is the answer. We'll return here. Now we'll see another case where length of the first linked list is smaller. Now length of the first linked list is 5 and length of the second linked list is 7. So how much it is the difference? That is 2. So now initially header 1 will be point here and header 2 will be point here. In each situation h1 will always point to the bigger linked list. So h1 will be point here and h2 will be point here. Now difference is 2, so initially we will move forward h1 by 2 steps. So now h1 is here, 1 step and 2 step. Each step will move forward h1 and h2 by 1 step until they find one place where both the node meets. So first step, h2 goes here, h1 goes here, and in next loop h2 is here and h1 is here. So this is our match point. So we will return the address of this node. Now we'll see the code of this problem. Linked list. This is our single linked list node, which have one data value and next pointer. So this is one of the util function that will find the length of the linked list. Main march point function where list 1, that is header 1 header to the first linked list, and list 2, that is header to the second linked list, is given. So what we'll do, first of all we'll find the length of the two linked list. So here we have done that. And then if the length of the first linked list is more, then head 1 will point to the first linked list and head 2 will point to the second linked list, and difference will be there, the difference in the length. But if the second linked list is bigger than the first linked list, then head 1 will point to the second linked list and head 2 will point to the first linked list, and we'll find again the difference. Here what we've done, as we have seen in the explanation, that first of all we'll move forward the head 1 pointer by difference value, and then until we have found the end of the both of the linked list, will in each step we'll move forward head 1 and head 2 by one step until we find the merge point. So here we can see that if head 1 and head 2 is equal, then we have found the merge point. We'll return from here, and if it is not, then we'll again move forward by one step, that is head 1 will be moved by one step and head 2 also. And in when both of the linked list is ended and till now we have not found any merge point, means there is the two linked lists are completely there is no merge point, so we'll return null. Thank you guys for seeing this tutorial. If you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.